First way to boost your collagen naturally is sun protection. Yeah. 80 to 90% of facial aging comes directly from sun exposure. I had no idea. I thought it was all sunscreen marketing, but 90% pass the sunscreen. The sun damages your collagen so severely that people who sunbathe age just like smokers. People who are not constantly exposed to sunlight tend to age better, have better skin, and have way less wrinkles. So the solution is to avoid direct exposure. And if you can't do that, make sure to use mineral sunscreens, which are non-toxic. I put a list of the sunscreens I like below. The second way to boost your collagen naturally is with vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is important for collagen maintenance. When we are low on vitamin B12, our body produces homocysteine, which interferes with collagen cross-linking. This weakens our skin's support structure. The only problem here is that it's really hard to get the amount of vitamin B12 your body needs through food only. So taking vitamin B12 supplements is necessary, especially as we age. The third way to boost your collagen naturally is with vitamin C. Remember when we said that vitamin C converts proline into hydroxyproline, which is basically the glue that holds collagen together? Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, not only because it helps create collagen, but also because it protects against free radical damage. For dietary intake, you should aim for at least 95 milligrams of vitamin C every day. Luckily, that's just like one orange or a cup of strawberries. Animals cannot make vitamin C, so we have to eat it, but it's easy to get. That being said, there's a cheat code I'm going to share with you about vitamin C and aging, and it's not on your plate. Studies show that applying vitamin C to your face can increase collagen production by 20%. We did the research to find the most effective science-backed topical vitamin C, and I put a link to that below. At number 4, we have foods that boost collagen. There are 3 foods that dramatically increase collagen. First, we have beta-carotene-rich foods. 30 milligrams of these foods daily increase pre-collagen levels 4.4 times. This is equivalent to 1 sweet potato or 2 cups of carrots. The second food is tomatoes, which increase pre-collagen by over 20% and reduce collagen breaking enzymes by 30%. In third place, we have kale. Shocker. Which greatly improved the collagen aging ratio in a 10-month controlled trial. These foods help boost collagen production because they're rich in carotenoids such as lutein, lycopene, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin, which boost collagen production and fight free radicals. At number 5, we have retin A and other retinoids. Retin A is the best collagen boosting treatment on the market, and it's the only FDA-approved wrinkle cream. Retin A has maintained an excellent safety record since it was FDA approved in 1971. In a year-long study, people who used Retin A experienced an 80% increase in collagen synthesis, while the collagen synthesis of the placebo group dropped by 14%. At number 6, for collagen boosting, we have professional treatments such as lasers and microneedling. These treatments can boost collagen by creating controlled micro-injuries that trigger the healing process and kick off new collagen production. However, these professional treatments need to be done by a trusted, board-certified dermatologist with a lot of experience, because one small mistake can result in burns or permanent scars. So the big lesson to take from this video is when a supplement is trending and it seems that everyone is doing it, think twice. And if a supplement is marketed as natural with just one ingredient, that does not mean it's safe or even works at all. I don't take any collagen peptides, and I recommend you don't either. The best way to look and feel fabulous as you age is to follow science, not trends. If you hit subscribe, we can make that happen. Now that you know how to truly boost your collagen over 50, this alone won't make you feel your best, because you need to remember how good you look every day. That's why I want you to watch my next video on how to stop and even reverse Alzheimer's, dementia. See you in the next video, because your health is the ultimate luxury.